In today's video, we're gonna be talking about buy two, keep one for free, right? So Joe, what do we got here?
Well, we've got two properties that had been rentals, and this one's vacant. The one back here is occupied. I think they're both 2-bedroom, 1-bath. Two single-family homes on one lot in a really decent area that's gentrifying.
I would call this desirable, actually, right? Because it's by, hey, how you doing?
I can get you in the...
You're the owner, right?
I am.
Seller?
Oh,
okay.
All right, hey, man.
In the fridge?
We haven't done anything like that, no, man. Yeah.
Not recommended, I guess.
Yeah.
No, I never open fridges.
Never open
I know
fridges.
enough, man. I own enough property to know. Don't ever open the fridge.
It smells like somebody.
It'll not-
They're walking by the front door.
Oh, yeah, I haven't even been in that one yet.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Huh.
Yeah, that's why I had it propped open. Get some fresh air in there.
Yeah.
I was in there at the end of last week. It didn't smell like this. But.
Yeah, and by the way, Danny just got stung by a wasp. It looks like it's healing. The deal is with this, just the owner there, we're gonna go take a look at it, walk through it, see if we can salvage them. He's got them listed as teardowns.
Yeah.
Right? It says it right here.
Yeah, they kind of marketed it as just the values mainly in the lot.
So here's what I'm thinking. Number one, I'm not tearing it down. Number two, if we get stuck with this property right here, we can always rent it. So obviously it's been rented unless there's something on the like the city's on his ass, but I don't see that being even a case here. So if we can fix this, we can rent it. So let's walk through this first one real quick here. I think he thought you opened the fridge, Joe.
No, that's just how it smells.
Smells like money is what it smells like. This is that area that you were talking about, Joe, that you couldn't get to?
That we didn't try. Yeah.
You didn't try to get to?
Yeah, that I hadn't seen yet.
So this is that foundation area that's a little bit wonky.
Yeah, just kind of falls off the back of the house.
And there's no basement in this one, right?
Yeah, I think it's on a crawl space. There are little windows down there.
All right, so 1 bathroom, 2 bedroom. Wait, is it 2 bedroom? It's 1 bedroom, right?
1 bed.
So we'd turn this in.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, wow. Oh, this is the basement, Joe.
Yeah.
Did you even go down here?
No. We got here late Friday and there's no electricity. No, I hadn't been down here.
I think we can convert this, Danny.
Yeah, finish it off for sure.
It's in way better shape than I anticipated, just based on this being advertised as a teardown. And we've definitely seen worse houses than this, don't you agree? Did you ever see 3925 when I first took it on?
No.
Oh, that house was literally floating in the air. All right, let's get out of here. We've seen enough of the basement. What we're trying to do here is just come up with a plan of attack. So we're looking at the first one. This would probably be a gut reno. And I know you don't hear me say that too often, but when you gotta tear across this thing, you got a lot of work to do. I would probably gut this down to the studs. Yeah, so this one we would gut because we want to relay it out and we want to make it as functional as possible and try to get it to a 2-2 would be ideal here. 2-2 or a 3-1, whichever one makes the most sense. All right, so we'll go to the next one now. Definitely some foundation work to do, huh?
Turn the, make this the front of the house?
That is a crazy question. No, but you could. Yeah, no. Yeah, there's no point in turning a house. That's gonna be too much money.
Like just putting the front door on this side.
Yeah, but you got the roof line here. It's the whole look of the house. So even if we put the front door right here, that changes this whole element here. Yeah. So I would just say like, you're better off just creating a path and maybe doing some changes here. Let's go look at this one. So this one's got people in it?
Yeah, they've been given notice. I don't know when they're moving out, but.
So maybe you end up keeping one as a rental and selling one.
Jeez.
This is super tiny. This is like 600 square feet-ish, huh? 800 square feet, maybe?
Yeah, under 800 probably.
600-ish. Yeah, so these are both gut jobs. All right, let's get out of this one. Let's look at all the elements here. So you own them?
Yeah.
Why do you think they're teardowns? I'm like, I can fix these.
Yeah, I mean, we think somebody are. We didn't want to sell them as something that could be fixed
Okay.
up. So,
I mean, they're definitely gut renos.
yeah, for sure.
You know?
This one I said in the disclosure, when I look at the map, which if you don't tear it down, it's not a problem, but it shouldn't be a problem. It looks like it could be encroaching on the neighbor's property when you look at the overhead map. This one was a long-term tenant forever, and that's the way they left it a while back.
Yeah.
And then, the trees have been a problem, so a tree went through here. There's some cracked joists inside that one.
No, it's definitely a handful of work.
Oh yeah.
You know?
So, I just don't want to deal with it. I don't want to do the rehab.
No, I don't blame you.
Yeah.
I mean, I don't want to, but I will.
Yeah, exactly.
You know?
So, yeah, it was in the family, and I'm in real estate also, but it's owned in LLC by my sisters and I, and I'll go buy something else and fix it up that I own instead of screwing around with how I deal with them. And
no, I like the area.
so yeah, for sure. I mean, that's why we also thought, the last person we had it under contract a couple years ago when both tenants were still here. This guy does painting for us and stuff, and so we're going to put him in another spot. We'll move him out in the next couple
cool.
weeks.
That's nice of you. No, it's a lot of work. I've just seen, we've done worse houses and worse neighborhoods.
Sure.
So I'm like, the only thing on that one is that foundation on the backside is going to need a lot of work, and this one's just small. I mean, what is it, 600 square feet?
If that, yeah, probably.
Yeah, I thought it would be in worse shape, so this was kind of because he sent me a video, and I was like, all right, I'm good with it as long as the video looks good. And then once I saw the video, I was all right, we better check it out in person just to make sure we're not wasting anybody's time.
Sure.
And then
No,
I think we'll be going forward with it, so I don't see any problems. Very nice to meet you.
Nice.
Appreciate your time, man.
Yeah, we'll have this one empty. Have him out and get all the stuff out of there.
We'll be going to the closing table, so there's we're going to the closing.
And you read there, you get all of that stuff.
Cool. Yeah, I'm happy to have it. We'll have a garage sale. Joe will be running it. That's how I'm paying for his commission.
Oh, perfect.
Yeah.
It's all the content.
I should have charged you twice since there's 2 houses.
Oh, shit. All right, thanks, man. Appreciate it. All right, so what do you think about the house? Tear down?
No, I mean, I know what you guys can do.
All right, we'll see how the numbers crank out. I don't know about splitting the property. I think we would do that at the end of the day. We've got some straightening up to do, some major work over here to do. The roof's got to go first. That's where everything's got to go. The roof's got to be taken care of first. And then after we do the roofs, then all the big things are going to happen. I would tell you on this one, just thinking like since you're going full gut, especially on this one, you see how you got this peaked roof line and it's such a small house? That is what you'd want to do. Now, he said the furnace is up there, which is a good way to save money and time, is putting the furnace up there. But if we're redoing this whole thing, we'll try to find another place to put the furnace, or we'll keep it in the corner over there, and we should vault these, ideally, because that'll make this small ass house feel really big.
Yeah.
Then we can put the water heater on the exterior, gas water heater on the exterior. Yeah, no, I don't think you can lose on these. I'm surprised nobody bought it.
It wasn't on the market very long.
Yeah, but still, usually people aren't gonna play any games.
They just, it's like you said, the way they marketed it as a tear down.
Yeah.
No one wanted to pay $50,000 for the lot.
Yeah, so these are our biggest areas of concern right here. We're gonna have to fill this up with concrete. We're gonna have to straighten all this out.
See how on both houses they had added concrete on the outside, down each side of the house to maybe
That was just something
try to shore up the
No,
foundation.
I don't even know if it's to shore it up. They might have probably trying to do that to get the water to shoot away.
Grading.
Yeah, that's to get the water away
Instead of
from
dirt.
the house so
Yeah.
the basement doesn't flood.
We just have to make sure, like, whatever we're doing, get the proper grading. So, all right, so big question for you. Would you buy these houses? And if you were to buy them, would you tear them down? Would you keep them? What would you do?
Probably just rentals.
What was there? Was that other bedroom?
Yeah.
So you could put a little deck right here. Otherwise, you got a bridge to nowhere.
Do you keep the shutters with the plant cut out?
Yeah, I mean, I don't know. I think you can keep all the windows in here too, depending on how far we were to go. Joe, you got your phone?
Yeah.
Let's go real quick right here. Let's just see what's for sale in the neighborhood.
You want to use what app you want? HomeSpot or Zillow?
Give me Redfin.
Redfin?
Yeah, right there.
Yeah.
What's Pornhub?
Christian Singles Club.
Okay, there's a house for sale for $290,000. That's a 3-2, 1,482 square feet right there. There's another house for sale for $180,000. That's a 624 square foot house right there. There's one for sale, so call that one 150. It's a little smaller. That one's picked up for free. This one's for sale for $280,000. This one's for sale for $350,000. That's in the immediate area. $299,000. So what is the sales price going to be on this house?
When you get it all fixed up?
This one right here, and then this one right here. I haven't done the numbers, that's why I'm kind of going through them with you right now.
Yeah, 220, 130.
220, 130, so 350, so 350 all in.
Yeah.
So acquisition is
145.
145. If our repair bid is under 100, we should be okay. So that's the big question. Can we get it done for under 100,000? Because if it's 145 acquisition plus 100 is 245, sell for 350. If this sells for 150 and this sells for 220, then you're at 370. Do you think we can get this done for 100 grand? 120?
Yeah.
130? 140? So how much money is it gonna cost to fix up is the big question. How much is it gonna sell for is the other big question. What problems are we gonna encounter besides the ones that we already know about? How long is this gonna take? How many deals did you do last year with me? Or was it 2023?
Yeah, it was 2 years ago. In 1 month, we did at least 11 in December.
That was a good one.
Last-
We're going again now. We're picking up the pace again.
I've written 100 in 3 weeks. So
Have you written 100 offers in 3 weeks?
I got about 20 still to do. It might get up to 100.
Zoom offers.
Yeah, we're working on that too.
All right, make sure you like, follow, and subscribe. Peace.